for everybody. It was on radio, it was on Yoruba, it was on Wazobia. For almost 1 year, people didn't show up. It's only one building here that got approval. Only one. They came and marked. Some of you will believe them. They are government officials, and some of us paid our money to go to school. We are not dogs. We are not agents of destruction. But we want development. If we have to do development, some people are going to be affected. And because they don't want it to affect you, they told you, they gave you enough time. Over 3 years, 2 years later, a year, months. They were here even about 2-3 weeks ago. None of you went, you are still carrying a survey plan. Anybody can take survey plan. Any non-entity can take survey plan. I can take survey plan that doesn't belong to me. That doesn't belong to me. Why don't we do the right thing? Now they are removing. Everybody is saying, now it's not government. You send this and send it to the NGO people. They use you and collect money on you. They are not doing any help for you. Is this how their country is? If this is how their country is, why would you want to travel to London? Why do you want to travel to America? But they'll come here and they'll be cajoling you. And once they use people talk to them, they send it to them, they give them money. At the expense of your even living. This is Lagos. We have to plan Lagos. We've been telling you. And Lagos State government doesn't do things on its own. It plans with people. You are not the only one. It's planning with Alabama. It's planning with people at Pelewura. You are not going to be an exception. We've discussed with you all. We've told you what we need to do. You are the one that is not ready. And why are you not ready? Because it's government, anything can happen. But somebody must do the needful. Because of him, we are going to stop.
Thank you, sir.
No, don't thank me. Don't thank me. Because I know I'm a devil. Don't thank me. No, I am. I'll tell you the reason why. A devil will help you and he will give you another option. Because all I expected of you, all Mr. Governor, expected from you people is to be cooperative and do the right thing.
Yes, sir.
He's not asking for too much.
Yes, sir.
You want development, you don't want to change. And all of you are shouting change. The governor is always awake, making sure that things are done. But you don't want it. And any small thing, you start going on social media, you send it to NGO, and they'll be using people to make money. Meanwhile, Lagos State government is wasting money putting things down for you. Let's think. Anybody want to say anything now, they say they rub on the express and you see people. So give me a reason why they will say that you are the one with what you have here. All the buildings that are here are dilapidated, they are distressed. And if any building comes down, it's the GM Lagos State building control that is going to be suspended. It's officers that are working here that are going to be suspended at your expense. The life of an average person is more important than the money that you people want to make. Most of the buildings that they have put down are distressed. Some of them are bending, some of them are cracked. And you all know it because you don't want to move away from there. Government of Lagos State will not tolerate any nonsense from any individual. And it is very important. Order!